AVID is a great program and it helps to go to college.
My name is Sarah.
AVID Excel can help you with your English.
AVID can also help you to go to college. One thing I really enjoy about AVID is we all cooperate.
I recommend AVID because throughout the year you work on projects, not only with the team, but also as an individual. You learn to communicate with other students, and you work through a process called tutorials. Tutorials would be a really good reason to join AVID because you can fill out a sheet called a TRF and you get help from other students on a subject that you are having trouble with. Those would be 3 reasons why I think you should join AVID next year.
One thing I love about AVID is that when I'm confused in a subject, I can just write a TRF and my tutorial group will help clarify the material.
My favorite thing about AVID is the field trips. For example, we went to Cal State Bakersfield and we had a blast.
I recommend AVID because in the first place, if you want to go to college, this class is for you. AVID helps you in many ways. For example, if you might be having some difficulties with the class, then you will actually get some help by classmates by writing a TRF, a tutorial request form. In addition, you do cornell notes. Cornell notes help you, for example, if you have a test. It will help you study further.
Something I enjoy in AVID Excel is collaborating with my classmates.
And working together to complete tasks and team building activities.
AVID helps you decide what degree you want in college. AVID helped me already being in junior high school think about what I want to be in my future.